In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you step by step how you can learn any course using ChatGPT and your YouTube. This is the exact way I have used to train myself in knowing much about cryptocurrency even without paying any cost. If you're someone and you don't have money to pay for courses, the course you want to learn, the prices are so high and you really want to learn it. So in this video, that's what I'll be showing. Not just that, if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to create a PDF, an ebook, and I have sold it to my audience using just ChatGPT. If you're a course creator, you definitely need to watch this video till the end. Hey there, God's grace to be here. In this channel, I teach you how you can become more digitally productive and make money online. If it's your first time of coming to my channel, welcome. And to my returning viewers, welcome back. Do well to like this video so that it can be of much help to people on YouTube. The more you like it, the more YouTube algorithm pushes out video. Alright guys, so to get started, the first thing you are going to do is to go to ChatGPT and create a kind of course outline. Alright, so you'll be using ChatGPT and making use of YouTube. So if you don't know how to use ChatGPT, I've already created a video on how to use ChatGPT as a new person, as a beginner. The video is in the description of this video. Alright, so I'll go to my ChatGPT. I'm going to ask it to create a course for me to the taste you like. You can actually use this for any kind of thing you want to learn. So I've already have the prompt. I say create a course outline that a beginner can use to learn and master crypto on their own. Alright, so that's the question I asked ChatGPT to create for me. Okay, so ChatGPT, I've asked it the question. I'm going to tap on it. So it's beginning to respond to me, as you can watch on the screen. So this is a 4 weeks paced course. So you can see it's 4 weeks paced course. You see, by the end of this course, you'll be able to learn all of this. So it begin to give it to you in modules. This is for a newbie. All right, you can actually do this for any other thing. Probably want to learn copywriting, you want to learn graphic design, you want to learn content creation. You can use this particular style to learn anything you want to learn online if you don't have money. Okay, so right now, so this is it. The course have been created. We have 9 modules of each section. All right, so the next thing you are going to do is to develop each of the modules. All right, so I'm going to ask it another question. Okay, so the next question will be to help me develop module 1. All right, so I'm going to go to my response again. So right now I'm going to ask it, suggest 20. All right, so I've asked it this question. All right, so you can see it here. Suggest 20 YouTube videos that best educate on module 1 of this outline. So I'll click on send. So you can see ChatGPT is responding. So this is the videos. So when you ask it this particular question, it's going to give you even the link of the video. Now I have gone ahead to actually check some of these links, and because ChatGPT only gives you information that is below 2021. All right, so you are not going to maybe get some current videos 2022, 2023. All right, but you are actually going to make use of the YouTube algorithm if you are serious to learn. All right, so one of the things you are going to do is to click on this link. Probably from the first link, you begin to watch the first link. Now, by the time you watch about 10 videos on your own, YouTube is going to note that this particular person is interested in crypto videos. And before you know, they will start giving you more quality crypto content on your YouTube timeline. All right, so this is the way I did it. All right, and I've used this method to learn several things, okay, online. on different courses. And actually this video I'm doing right now, I'm going to use it to create a PDF. So if I'm going to create a PDF, I'm going to use ChatGPT. As you are seeing, I can also ask ChatGPT to develop content. Okay, I've asked it for videos. Then the next one. So if I'm writing a PDF, like I told you at the beginning of this video, I want to write a PDF on this topic. Let's say it's crypto for beginners 101, any of this. I'll ask it develop. So the next one is to develop. So right now you can see it develop module 1 into written content for my crypto 101 ebook I'm writing. So I'm going to click on it. So it's going to develop the whole module 1. So you can see it. All right. So you can see it right now. I can come right here, copy this ebook, copy all of these things right here, and I'll now begin to edit them and now insert some of those videos that I've copied on YouTube. Actually going to do this, and I'm going to publish it. I'm going to give it to those who have been asking me that they want to learn more about crypto. They want to learn more about what crypto. So you can see it was so fast. Once you are done generating the course and the course outline, and you are very serious about learning that course, you can further ask ChatGPT to create a timetable for you using the particular amount of hour you want to cross out in order to learn that work. So I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to ask ChatGPT right now to create a timetable blocking out 4 hours of my day in order to learn this course. All right, so let's ask ChatGPT to create a timetable for us. So I've already copied the prompt, still on the same chart on the crypto course. Then I've asked it to create a timetable for me, right? Only that would help me to stay focused and go through the whole 4 weeks outline effectively. All right, so let's go. Okay, so ChatGPT is done with the timetable. So you can see it right here. It said day 1, right? Day 1, I have day 2, day 3. So, or I can actually ask it to make it in a tabular form for me, or make it in a tabular form. So let me ask it to make it in a tabular form. So you can see it right here. So week 1, ChatGPT has created in a tabular form for you. So you can actually just screenshot this tabular form, all right, print it as a document and post it in your room. That will help you to begin to go through this course effectively on your own. So ChatGPT is amazing. So you can see it week 1 to 3, everything. So once you are done on ChatGPT, using the whole process that I've shown in this video, as a content creator, as a course creator, one of the things you can do is to begin to develop the outlines that ChatGPT has given to you. And I'm actually going to do this. And once I'm done with mine, I'll modify it, make it unique, and be able to give it to people who need it. And they will give me money in return because it is of value to them. All right. So if you find this video very interesting and valuable to you, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. Until then, see you next time. Bye bye.